Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to get the YouTube app on your Nintendo Switch. So what I want you to do is go to the home screen, then tap on the Nintendo eShop and open it up. Then choose your account. And if you don't have an account, you may need to create one because we will be using the eShop, and the eShop does require an account to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on search and then the search bar, and you just want to search up for YouTube. So search up YouTube. And you can see it's the first result. We'll just tap on this one, search, and we should see the YouTube app show up. So you can see YouTube is completely free to download on a Nintendo Switch. So we'll just tap on it. And once we are brought to this page, you can see free download. Let's tap on free download. You may be asked to sign into your account, just so you know, if you haven't already. So just do that. And then we'll tap on free download. And you can see thank you, YouTube, and you can check the download status on the home menu. Depending on the server status, the download may not begin immediately. So let's go to the home page. Let's have a look, and you can see YouTube is currently downloading on my Nintendo Switch. Now, what I want to do is I want to cut to once this is done. If you are, happy because the YouTube app is downloaded. All right, guys, you can see YouTube has been successfully downloaded, and we can open it up. Now, if the download is really slow for you for whatever reason, I do have a tutorial in the description down below on how to speed up the internet speed. So you can see I'm inside of the YouTube application and I can enjoy the app. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. Check out my playlist on the end screen right now. It has a bunch of tips and tricks regarding the Nintendo Switch. You will definitely learn something new in that playlist. So I recommend you check it out. It's on the end screens you see right now. If you don't see the end screens, it's in the description down below as well. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like. Bye bye.